Okay, a little update on the filthy whore. We've been so busy, we haven't had a lot of time to do anything with it. But we're getting ready to install the L brackets inside the apron. And this is what they look like. Unfortunately, I believe they shipped us the wrong ones. So we're gonna have to cut, I think, 2 inches off the full length of this leg on every one of them because they're too tall. So Jake's got him a piece of angle iron that he's going to use for a straight edge to cut those with the plasma torch. It shouldn't take him too long. It's just one of those things. It's like, what do you do with something like this? To ship all that iron back and then get ones that fit, that's just too expensive. I'll beat him up somewhere else another time. Right, Mike? I see a discount in the future for old Jpaydirt. What do you think, Mike? Anyway, he's got a lot of these cracks welded up in the front of the apron. And overleaning against the tire are the preformed roller guide brackets that go inside the can. We're gonna put the ejector in and set those where they need to go along with the rollers and tack those in, and then we'll be able to start cutting the patch pieces to reline the bowl in there. So anyway, we got winter coming tomorrow. The following video that you're gonna see is some stuff. You saw it before, but I had to delete it for some reasons. Anyway, I took the parts I didn't have to delete, put it back together because it was a good video. So here you go. Enjoy your Thanksgiving.
Oh.
Bye.